Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to cook yam woon sen or seafood glass noodle salad. So I have 200 grams of glass noodle. For the glass noodle, it's come in the dry glass noodle and I soak it in the water for about 30 minutes. So I get this much. A dozen of fresh prawns, a dozen of green mussel, 150 grams of crab claw, 100 grams of minced chicken, some parsley, spring onion, tomato, red onion, garlic, chili, lime, sugar, and fish sauce. Since all the ingredients are already here, I like to start off with making the sauce first. To prepare the yam woon sen sauce, I'm going to pound it. So for this chili is already washed. This chili, they are not very spicy, so I'm going to put quite a lot. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13, okay, 14 pieces. For the chili, you can put according to your level of the spiciness that you can take, right? You don't have to put this much because it might be quite spicy. I'm putting 3 cloves of garlic. I'm going to wash this first. After wash, just put it in and we're going to pound it. For the chili, I'm going to pound it very flaky. See? It is quite flaky. Look at that. Put in 3 tablespoons of fish sauce and 3 tablespoons of sugar. It has to be spicy, sour, sweet, and salty, right? And I'm going to put also 3 tablespoons of lime juice. Put 3 tablespoons of lime juice. Give it a mix. Now you can taste it. It is spicy, sweet, salty, but not enough sour. Just gonna add in another half tablespoon of lime juice. Perfect, very delicious. So the sauce is ready. I can put it back into this bowl. Wow, really very nice and spicy. Alright, the sauce is ready. Now we can go and cook the seafood. I have boiling water here. First, put in the glass noodle. Just put in about 1 minute. This glass noodle is quite long, so I'm going to just cut it. Alright, the glass noodle is cooked, so now I'm going to take it out from the hot water. And put it directly in the bowl. Now we're putting in the prawns. About 1 minute, all the prawns are cooked. I'm going to take it out from the pot. Put it directly here. And now I'm going to put in the green mussel. Green mussel also don't really cook too long. I'm just going to cook it for about 1 minute as well. Alright, 1 minute, the mussel is cooked. So I'm going to remove it from the hot water. This one I'm going to put it aside. We're going to need to remove the shell first before we put in the yam woon sen. Next, I'm going to just cook the crab claw. Just run through the hot water because this crab claw, right, is already cooked, by the way. Okay, this is done, so we're going to put it. Now we're going to put the chicken. Just after the minced chicken changed the color, it should already be cooked. So it's about 1 minute. Done for the cooking. So for the green mussel, we're going to remove it from the shell first before we put it in. I'm just going to use the knife to cut it off from the shell. Use the knife to slice it off from the shell, just like that. The mussel here, so put it in. Alright, done for all of the seafood and the glass noodles. This is the parsley. Just gonna cut it like lengthwise, 1 inch long. And for the spring onion, tomato, we're going to cut it into pieces. And onions. For onions, I'm going to use only half. Alright, these are the fresh vegetables that we're going to put it into our yam woon sen. We have prepared everything, so now I'm going to mix with the sauce. So I'm going to put in bit by bit of the sauce and give it a mix. The glass noodle, if we cook it too long and then it will clump together, so we need to put more dressing on it to separate them. Alright, the seafood, the glass noodle and the sauce is already well mixed. Now we're going to put in the salad. And the tomato. This is crazy. It's so yummy, so appetizing. Now I'm going to use the spatula to mix it. That's ready. Yam woon sen. Wow, so appetizing. It's enough spicy, not enough sour, not enough sweet, not enough salty. So I'm going to add in more lime fish sauce and also sugar. Another 1 tablespoon of sugar. And another about 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. Some more lime. About 2 tablespoons of lime juice. Okay, mix it again. This is so spicy. Give it a try again. This time is perfect, delicious. Let's eat. I'm going to take a bit of chicken, bit of glass noodles, and blue mussel. Wow, so delicious. The freshness of the seafood. The glass noodle is very soft and the sauce is so appetizing. It's spicy, salty, sour and sweet. It blends so well with the fresh parsley and the spring onions and the red onions. If you try it, let me know how it turns out in the comment below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends and remember to subscribe for more of my authentic Thai recipe like this. Thank you and bye bye.